Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing 3 very small dollar store DIYs. So without further ado, I'm going to get right into it. I will be creating some signs, some small little books, and a pumpkin. All of these are great for your tiered trays, and that is actually what I'm making them for, because next week I'm going to be sharing my tiered tray decor over on my home channel. So the first thing that I did is I had these ends of wood that I cut off from a sign that I made a while back, and I always save all the scraps of wood because you never know what you might need them for. So I just use acrylic paint to give them a light coat of white. So if this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonia and you are watching my DIY channel. As I mentioned, I also have a home channel and a cooking channel, which are all linked down below. And if you are not familiar with my channel, currently I have some DIY challenges and collabs that I have announced. So if you want to go check them out, I will link the video in the corner for you to check out, where I announce all my challenges and DIYs. And make sure you stop by my Instagram page as well, where I share home decor, DIYs, cooking, everything put together, along with all my daily doings. So have any of you started decorating for fall? I like to get my mood boards set up way ahead of time, go through all of my decorations and decide what DIYs I'm going to be creating, and that way I can set myself a timeline of how I'm gonna decorate, so my home is done by the first day of fall. Let me know down in the comments, do you enjoy fall DIYs? Do you enjoy fall decorating? What's your favorite season? I would love to know. My favorite season is Christmas, but fall definitely falls right behind. So once I was done painting these, I let them dry for a while, and then I moved on to my other project. For my other project, I had picked up these small little, what are they, artist mats at Dollar Tree. There's 3 of them in a pack, and or artist panels, I think they're called. And I printed out these fall sayings from Pinterest. I will link down below the website that has all of them, and they are free for you to download, so I will include them. So here is what this looks like, the little panels that I picked up. They were a little big, but being that the paper's white and the saying, the little papers that I'm sticking on are white, it didn't matter. So I put some Mod Podge on the bottom and Mod Podge on the top, and just make sure you don't have any bubbles when you do this. So the third project that I was working on, I had this piece of kind of buffalo check material left over from making pillows, making ornaments, and all sorts of stuff from last year. So I thought I'm going to use it for this pumpkin. I had picked up this pumpkin last year as well at Dollarama. I created a really neat DIY last year using these pumpkins, which I will link all of my DIYs from last year and from this year in the description box. That way you can check out in case if you missed some of them. So I traced the pumpkin onto the material. I was trying to use the pen, but it wasn't really showing, so I went ahead and used a marker. And once that's done, I cut it out and I use Mod Podge to glue it on. But before I actually move on to gluing it on, I give the pumpkin a little bit of sanding on the edges, just in case if the material is not perfect, the blue doesn't show through. I think it turned out really cute. It was such a super easy upcycle of this pumpkin or makeover of this pumpkin. I think it's gonna fit perfectly in my decor, much better than the sparkly blue pumpkin. You can also add some twine or maybe a leaf to it if you wish to. I like mine just as plain as it is. Now I'm going back to these blocks. They are fully dried and I'm going to use, I tried with the permanent marker first, just a regular one, but it didn't really work very well. So then I moved on to my the water-based permanent marker that I love using for almost all of my projects, and that worked out really good. So I've looked at Pinterest for inspiration on what to write on these edges of the books, and I decided on farm fresh pumpkins. I think that's just perfect because I decorate with so many pumpkins in my home, and I think this will be perfect. So the last thing that I did was I had decided to add the twine around, and then my SD card died, was filled, and my computer shut down recording. So I started already, so here I am just finishing it up. So I took that twine that I had and I kind of separated it. It had like 3 intertwined with each other, so I separated them just to get a thinner twine, and then I wrapped it around the edge of the books and using hot glue just to secure it in a couple spots. I love the way these books look, and I thought having these miniature ones on my tier tray would be perfect. And if you guys enjoyed these DIYs, make sure to press that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, so that way you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos. But in order not to miss them, even if you're subscribed, you still have to press the notification bell and turn on the notifications, and that way you will get notified when the new videos come out. I absolutely love the way these 3 DIYs turned out, and so budget friendly and easy to make, and I think they're gonna look great on my tier trays. And don't miss that video, it's coming up on Wednesday. It is a open invite collaboration with Lisa Birmingham, so make sure you check out or join in that playlist. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.